Hello, this is Lee Baroud, the insurance dude, going on the next topic of your automobile policy. Today, I'm just going to do a quick little overview of your comprehensive and collision coverage. Now, these two differ from liability and other types of insurance in that they cover damages to your vehicle. In most states, I believe they are optional, and that would be unless you have a lien on the vehicle. That means you are borrowing money, you have a car loan, car payment, in which case the bank will say, no, you have to have both comprehensive and collision coverage on your vehicle. Why is that? Well, the bank has a vested interest in your vehicle. They own it until you get it paid off, and they will repo your car probably if you decide you're not going to insure it. So they want to make sure they get their money one way or another, whether you wreck that car and the insurance company pays them, or you end up paying for it over a period of time on your loan. The banks are going to make sure they're protected, and unless you pay off your car loan, it's it's not optional. So, with that having been said, what's the difference between comprehensive and collision insurance? Well, collision insurance covers your vehicle in the event that you have an accident with another vehicle, hence the word collision. People often get confused about what a collision is, and I can understand why, because you can have a collision with a stationary object, you can have a collision with a deer, there's all kinds of collisions you can have with somebody's garage. And of course then it comes up the question, whose coverage is it? Is it the homeowner's? Is it the other person's? So on and so forth. Well, bottom line is collision insurance is going to pay if you are driving your vehicle, you were in the vehicle at the time, in control of it, you own it, and you get into an accident and it damages your vehicle. When you go to rent a car, they can sell you optional insurance that covers the car, so it doesn't go to your insurance. Otherwise, I'll preface this by saying in most states, it will come back to your insurance company to pay for that rental vehicle. Again, I'm not going to make a broad statement because, as I said in other videos, every state is different. And if you want to be a claims adjuster, go for it. You'll probably specialize in several states because the laws are so different across all 50 of our United States that nobody can really keep up on all of it. So here again, collision insurance, only your vehicle property damage, and nothing to do with injury or any of that. Comprehensive, that's things like nature. You have a collision with a deer, there's hail hits your vehicle, things like that. You're not driving the vehicle, something happens to it, comprehensive insurance. A lot of times this question comes up, I came out, somebody keyed my car. Well, that's your comprehensive insurance. Somebody hit my car. Is that collision? Nope. If you didn't see the person, didn't get their insurance information, you weren't in the vehicle at the time, that's comprehensive insurance. I often call this Carrie Underwood insurance. She did that song about smashing the guy's car for cheating on her. If it was that much of a tricked out vehicle, he probably had a pretty good comprehensive insurance policy. The insurance company paid for most of it, with the exception of a deductible. And this is, of course, the part that you pay. Generally, the higher the deductible, the less you pay for the insurance. It's kind of a trade-off. The actuaries sit down and figure out what the chances are of something happening, how much they can charge, if you, if they charge, how much money they can make if they charge a certain rate for it, and so on and so forth. So they've got it all figured out. You're not going to beat the insurance company on that. They know what they're doing. At least most of them do, if they're still in business. And you should hope so. But at any rate, that's your difference between collision and comprehensive. Collision, you're driving it. Collision, other vehicle. Comprehensive, collision with something that's not a vehicle, and or you're not driving your vehicle and it's damaged. Hope that's clear. And until next time, take care.